Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Ethiopian Airlines Baggage Tracking. Ethiopian Airlines offers a baggage tracking system allowing passengers to monitor their luggage status. Using a unique reference number, travelers can check the real-time location and updates of their checked baggage, ensuring a transparent and stress-free journey. This service enhances the airline's commitment to customer satisfaction and reliability. Baggage tracking system. Like many international airlines, Ethiopian Airlines uses advanced baggage tracking systems to track checked-in baggage throughout the journey to ensure it reaches its intended destination. Baggage tag. Upon check-in, each piece of checked baggage receives a unique barcode baggage tag. This code allows the airline to track the luggage at various points throughout its journey. Real-time updates. Modern baggage tracking systems provide real-time updates on the location and status of the baggage, from the time it's checked in to the time it's loaded onto the plane, transferred between flights, and delivered to the baggage claim area. Mishandled baggage report. If a passenger's baggage doesn't arrive at the destination, they should immediately file a mishandled baggage report at the Ethiopian Airlines office or baggage service counter. World Tracer System. Ethiopian Airlines, like many other international airlines, might use the World Tracer System, a global baggage tracing system used by airlines and airports worldwide to locate misplaced baggage. Delayed baggage. If baggage is delayed and doesn't make it to the destination on the same flight, the airline will usually deliver it to the passenger's address provided in the mishandled baggage report once it's located. Lost baggage compensation. If the baggage is deemed lost and cannot be located within a specific time frame, passengers are entitled to compensation, subject to international regulations and airline policies. Online tracking. Passengers can often track the status of their delayed baggage using the reference number provided when they filed the mishandled baggage report. Ethiopian Airlines may provide an online platform for passengers to check the status of their baggage claim. Liability limitations. It's important to note that airlines have liability limitations when it comes to lost or damaged baggage. The Montreal Convention often governs these limits, but passengers should be aware of the limits and consider purchasing travel or baggage insurance if they are carrying valuable items. Tips for travelers. To minimize the risk of lost baggage, passengers should ensure they have clear identification on their luggage, keep essentials and valuables in their carry-on, check the baggage receipt for accuracy, and always retain the baggage claim tag until they have collected all their luggage. It's always recommended to check directly with Ethiopian Airlines or refer to their official website for the most up-to-date and detailed information about their baggage tracking procedures and policies. Ethiopian Airlines booking. Ethiopian Airlines, Africa's premier carrier, offers seamless booking for international and domestic flights. Their user-friendly platform allows travelers to secure seats, manage reservations, and access special deals. With a vast network connecting continents, Ethiopian ensures a reliable, comfortable journey for all passengers. Experience world-class service with every booking. Booking platforms. Ethiopian Airlines offers multiple platforms for booking, including their official website, mobile app, physical booking offices, and authorized travel agents. Star Alliance member. Ethiopian Airlines is a member of the Star Alliance. This means passengers can earn and redeem miles across a wide range of airlines and enjoy benefits like shared lounge access and priority boarding on member airlines. Flexible booking. Due to the unpredictability of travel plans, especially in the post-COVID era, Ethiopian Airlines provides options for flexible booking, where passengers can easily reschedule flights if necessary. Baggage allowance. Like many airlines, baggage allowances depend on the route and class of travel. It's essential to check this information during booking to avoid any last-minute surprises. In-flight amenities. Ethiopian Airlines offers in-flight entertainment, meals, and beverages. The quality and variety might vary depending on the duration of the flight and class of service. Cloud 9. This is Ethiopian Airlines premium class service, often comparable to business class on other airlines. If you're booking Cloud 9, expect spacious seating, gourmet meals, and other premium amenities. Loyalty program Sheba Miles. This is the frequent flyer program of Ethiopian Airlines. Regular travelers can benefit from collecting miles and gaining access to special offers, privileges, and rewards. Destinations. Ethiopian Airlines boasts an extensive network, connecting major cities in Africa with key destinations in Europe, Asia, North America, and South America. Always check the available routes and destinations when planning your trip. Special needs and requests. If you have any special needs, such as wheelchair assistance or dietary requirements, it's recommended to notify the airline well in advance. Ethiopian Airlines is known for accommodating such requests when informed beforehand. Safety and maintenance. Ethiopian Airlines has a commendable safety record and invests significantly in training its staff and maintaining its fleet. They operate some of the youngest fleets in the sky, which means newer, more efficient aircraft for their passengers. Always ensure that you're familiar with the terms and conditions and other relevant details when booking a flight, regardless of the airline. Safe travels. Ethiopian Airlines manage booking. Ethiopian Airlines, founded in 1945, is Ethiopia's flag carrier. Headquartered in Addis Ababa, it's Africa's largest airline in terms of passengers carried, destinations served, and fleet size. Renowned for its extensive network, Ethiopian Airlines plays a crucial role in connecting Africa to the world. It's a Star Alliance member since 2011. Access. Passengers can access the Manage Booking feature on Ethiopian Airlines' official website. Typically, passengers would need to enter their booking reference, often called a PNR or reservation code, and last name. View reservations. Once inside the Manage Booking portal, passengers can view all details related to their reservations, including flight times, routes, and fare details. Seat selection. Passengers have the ability to choose, change, or upgrade their seats depending on availability and fare conditions. Special requests. Passengers can make requests for meals, add special services, e.g., requesting assistance for reduced mobility, or specify any other requirements they might have. Flight changes. Depending on the ticket's fare conditions, passengers may change their flight date, time, or even the destination. This might come with associated fees. Cancellation. If plans change, passengers might have the option to cancel their booking. Refunds or credits will be subject to the fare conditions at the time of booking. Adding extras. Many airlines offer the ability to add extras to the booking like additional checked luggage, travel insurance, or in-flight amenities. Check-in online. The Manage Booking portal usually provides a direct link or option to the online check-in feature, allowing passengers to check in and print boarding passes before arriving at the airport. Update personal information. Passengers can update or add their contact information, frequent flyer number, and other relevant details. Feedback and support. If passengers face any issues or have feedback related to their booking, they can often contact customer support directly from the Manage Booking section. Please note that while these points provide a general overview, the exact features and terms may differ. It's always recommended to visit Ethiopian Airlines' official website or contact their customer service for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Thanks for watching.